Hello everyone, my name is Anmol and I am a STEAM instructor at ScienceUtsav. So, in this video, we will see a Pacman game which is built in Python, and we'll also see how this game is formed and the code behind it. So here you can see the game, the Pacman game built in Python. So here we are, the ghosts, which are the red circles, which we have to be away. We have to avoid this red circles and collect all the coins, and the player is this yellow circle. We have to collect all the coins which are this white dots, and we are getting the score here. Every circle we are collecting, we are getting the score here. The score is this. So this is all about the game, and let's see how this game is formed and what is the code behind this game. So this is the code of our game. We have used three libraries here, that is random, turtle and free games. Turtle is used for pictures, graphics and shapes. So let's go through the codes. We have like state here the score. We have initialized it from 0. We have created the path using turtle. Turtle is used for like creating the paths and everything, the whole graphics. We have here vector. We have like we have 5 ghosts, so we have created using vector the 5 ghosts and assigned it to aim. We have a Pacman. Its position, Pacman position, and the ghost position and the ghost movement are all here. The list. So this is a tiles. It is a structure of whole game. So here we have some definitions: square, offset, valid to achieve certain work. So this is all the definition used in this program, and this is the key that we use in our to play the game. That is right, left, up and down key. We have like written the code to use keys, and the moment if we press any key, to how much our Pacman will move. So this is the code about the keys, and we have called our definitions. We have talked about the definitions. We have created like 5 definitions we have created to achieve certain work. So we have like called from here the world, move and done. We have a calling function here, and we have like stored how much we have scored in the using writer, and the calling of a function like world, move and done will take us here world. So the square, the calling of the square definition will draw a square using path. The offset function is used to return offset of point in tiles, like if it go and like something block the Pacman, so it will like stop there and like return offset. And this return return true if point in valid is valid in tiles, if they are like moving through and it is collecting coin. So if the points is valid, so it will return true. This world function used to draw using path. Then we have like given our background as black and the path color is blue, as you have seen in the while playing the game. This move function will move the Pacman and all the ghosts, and like store the score in the writer using writer object. And here are the code for certain cases. If something happen like this, how it will manage. So to understand the code, it will become so lengthy, so I am like explaining here in a brief, like in quickly I am explaining here. Here the change it will change the Pacman aim if it go and collide with any of the like tiles, so it will change the aim of the Pacman. So it is all about the code here behind that game that we have played. So this game is formed using like three important libraries, that is total, random and free games. So I hope you have understood this code. So thank you.